all my beautiful Siren beauties. In today's video, we are going to be doing a review and swatch of the Saviland 12 Colors Crystal Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Kit. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. So this is the kit. Again, it is Saviland 12 Color Gel Nail Polish Set. And this particular one is cat eye gel. Cat eye gels are all the rage right now. So I decided to review a set that is affordable. So this I got on Amazon for $22.99, so under $25. And here's how it comes. Inside the box, here's how you have it. It's the 12 polishes. You have your instruction book. And again, because this is cat eye and you need magnets, you get your own magnet. Each one of these bottles is 7.5 milliliters, so it comes out to about $1.92 per bottle. I was thinking if this was good value, but after testing a couple of them out and using them, I actually do think it's good for nail art and experimenting when you're starting out with cat eye gels. Also, the range is very nice. So let's get into some swatches. We're going to start off with green, and here's how it looks on the inside. And this is the swatch. Now this swatch is the only one where I put 2 coats on. Honestly, it doesn't need it, and what I like about this particular cat eye gel is in the background it already gives you some glitter, so it adds a little bit more dimension. So this one again is 2 coats of the cat eye polish, but you really don't need that, especially if you want to bring out that glitter as well as magnetic. This one has a bit of a green and I want to say purple glitter in it, and again this is green. Next up we have green yellow, and you can see here again, like I said, this is only 1 coat for the rest. And in here there's a little bit of like purple blue, no, it's actually more blue and gold along with that greenish yellow. So it really comes together. I already have an idea for a set of nails that I want to do with this. Next up we have yellow. So you have the yellow metallic, and this one actually has like a red and gold glitter running through it. Again, yellow. And here we have rosy gold. So again, rosy gold. And then you have a little bit of a deeper red and gold flecks in the background. Rosy gold. This here is light red. So you have the red with also some red glitter in the background. Really pretty. Rounding out the first half, we have rose red. I never understood why they call this rose red, because it gives more purple, and this has a back of like purple and blue glitter. Really pretty. Next up is royal blue, and this one has more of a just blue with dark purple and dark blue sparkle. These couple of ones are a little bit harder to see because they're darker. Royal blue. This one is purple, and this one's more of your standardized purple. Again, I really do like the glitter. It does give dimension. I believe this one will look better on a lighter base so you can see more of the shifts. Purple. This one is medium slate blue. So this one's a medium darkish blue, again with some purple and blue glitters in the background. The glitter in the background of the blue is more of a brighter blue. I don't know if you can really see it here, but I'm looking at it in person. It's gorgeous. This is called the light purple, and on camera it looks a little blue, but in person it looks like a grayish light purple with just some silver glitter in the back. Again, light purple. This looks very galaxy. Second to last, sky blue. So this is a true sky blue with some green and blue flecks. Sky blue. I'm going to show you cayenne. So again, it's a 7.5 ml bottle. here's how it looks. Again, a nice coat, even coat. This one has multiple color sparkles, which is really pretty. We're going to take the magnet. You just hold it over for a little bit, for 5 seconds. Here it is, and these cure for 60 seconds. So here is a look at all of them. Honestly, I give this whole set a 4.5 out of 5. This is not a bad set to start off with when it comes to cat eye gels for the price point. So for the Saviland 12 colors crystal cat eye gel nail polish set, I would give it a 4.5 and I recommend it. I will have it linked down below. And until next time, bye.